Welcome to our maintenance section. This is under after sales department. This particular truck is an accidented vehicle, so we are currently working on this truck to bring it back to life. You can see that in a couple of days it will be out of the assembly and back to service. Another one that is also under maintenance. You can see this looks like a skeleton. This is actually a CNG truck that is under maintenance. You can see that the guards for the cylinders has been removed, so they are being worked upon. Later we will couple back together. So this is also a CNG truck that is under repair. Come with me as we take a look into our spare parts center. Now, various categories of the parts, they are all genuine parts. Come to Nigerian Sinotrucks, where you will find genuine parts for your HOWO product. We have standard parts, we have chassis parts, we have gearbox parts. Name it, any component or any spare part that you need in your HOWO trucks, come to Nigerian Sinotrucks, we have them for you.